guys, and welcome again to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna. I'm your host Krishna. Guys, first thing, if you are new here, you never watch any of my videos, then please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon so you will get the my next videos update. And so guys, this is kind of series on coronavirus, that how that affecting to other people. So if you are watching for that, then just don't skip any part, just watch till the end, because it's not hardly, it's like less than 4 minutes, so you can do that if you want to believe. Guys, today I'm teaching you, this is pranayam called Kapalbhati. So how to do it, first just see me and then I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, first see. So guys, let's see how it looks like when you do it. So you will be like, right now I'm just bare body, so you will understand how actually in right way to do. So when you breathe in and then when you out of breathe, and again deep breathe, and then it's kind of when you're throwing out your air, your stomach should be go inside, then you breathe out. Hold your hands here, then see my stomach getting inside, breathe just comes out. This is the right way to do it. So if you don't feel the rhythmic breathe in and breathe out, then just press your hands here and do it. This is the right way. Okay, in this, what do? You just breathe in, deep breathe in, and then just throw out all your breath, but pressurizing your stomach. Like when you're doing it, you kind of just pressurizing your stomach inside, like that. Okay. While doing it, just keep in mind, if you're out of breath, then just again deep breathe and then start doing again. So guys, now you learn how to do it, so please do it. And if you like this video, you find it useful, then share with your friends, your family, with everyone who ever need this one. But yeah, one more thing, who already having the heart problem, like any kind of heart problem, asthma, or this respiratory problems, or lungs problem, then just please avoid that. But otherwise everyone can do it, there is no age limit. But yeah, in starting, don't do it too much. If you are just new here, like just starting right now, then don't do it too much. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes max, and start with that, and if you feel okay, then just carry on. And thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel, and thank you.